Hi, and welcome to this episode of Tanklogix Portal Help. In this tutorial, we examine User Site Management 2.0 and give a brief overview of managing users and site assignments for users. At page top is the blue and white help icon to blog.tanklogix.com, where you can find documentation and tutorials like this one. The middle icon toggles viewability on the page between the upper page controls and the user sites grid at page bottom. The black and white help icon gives general page and navigation tips and hints. As the page opens, we see the user site management grid, showing information about all your company employees enrolled in the portal. The Create User button is where administrators can choose a new username, check to see if it's available for use. Every username is unique in the portal. Then fill in necessary information for a user. You can assign roles. Roles affect the menu options and features the user can work with. Assign continuous site assignment. More on this coming in another tutorial. And create new user and clear and reset the form fields. The Edit User button. You can edit any user information, role assignments, continuous site assignment, lock or unlock a user's access. At the bottom of the panels, we can save user edits, discard user edits, reset a user's password. An email will be sent immediately to that user, remove all alarms from a user, and delete the user, which will of course remove all the alarms from the user as well. Manage the user site assignments. There are 4 panels in this view. Panel 1, users in this company. Panel 2, sites assigned to these users. Panel 3, sites available for assignment. And panel 4, target users, or those users who will be the recipients of actions performed in panels 2 and 3. For the rest of the tutorial, we will refer to these panels as simply panels 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's select Julie sample in panel 1. Panel 2 shows us Julie has 3 sites. Panel 3 shows we have a total of 11 sites we could assign her. And panel 4 shows the target user, or users to receive any update or delete action. If we click on the hamburger menu at the bottom of panel 2, we see 2 buttons: clone sites above to selected target users, and clone sites above to selected target users and remove alarms from selected target users for any sites removed in this specific cloning process. Now I'll click on the hamburger menu at the bottom of panel 3. We can filter the full number of sites above by using the sites filter. Let's key TL demo. We see 6 sites. Clicking the refresh icon returns it back to 11 sites. Show sites above assigned to Julie. We see 3 sites. And sites not assigned to Julie, 8 sites appear. Based on this filtering and selection, we can then add sites, remove sites, or add and remove sites and alarms assignments to target users. Let's close the hamburger menus and now look at the user sites grid. We can filter and sort on the column headers. We can also perform inline edits. I can edit a single line within the grid by selecting, changing a value, and pressing enter on my PC or Mac. I can also select multiple lines by selecting the green Edit Grid button at the top left of the grid. This opens up to 10 rows in an edit mode. You can tell visually which boxes allow edits because of the white background. The Reset Grid returns the grid back to read-only mode, and Save Selected Rows will save all rows up to 10 at a time with any changes you have keyed. Users cannot be deleted via the grid on this page. As user deletion is a fairly rare operation, you may do that back in Edit User. That is all for the introduction to User Site Management 2.0. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helps.